So now, before we like insert photos, now we are going to be dealing with something that is strict, okay, and something that is more than important. That is, before we like conclude with the design, we have to make sure that we are on the right page, okay. We are on the right page of our design. Remember, we want to have an S3. So let us try to check, okay. Let us try to check if we are having these pixels, what would this be? Okay, so maybe what we would do, if you don't understand pixels and you rather understand centimeters, so you can go to your Google and try to Google, okay. So, or you come to file, then you click file, okay, just still near your design. So you click on file, then from there you go to let us go back again. So you come to file, then new, okay, you click new, sorry. Now, you after clicking new, you come to print, because remember we are designing something for print, okay. So after designing, after like coming there, we need an S3. So this is the size of an S3, so you can select it. So if you are using a lower version, for you, you may not be able to choose a certain template or customize it as we do. So you may try your level best to do what? Ask, okay, or even research, so that you may be able to know what size is it. So the moment I click that, so I remove the box, then go back this side and make sure that I compress this to like each fit in its box. So if I click the first one, hold the shift, click the second one and the third one, and I